Hello students, good morning to all of you. This is Public Kumar teaching in Jesus Mary Academy. Today we are going to talk about fractions. This session of video is especially for standard 4A. So we will discuss about fraction, numerator and denominator, like fraction, unlike fraction, unit fraction in this session of video. So let us discuss first fraction. What is fraction? A fraction is one or more equal parts of a whole objects or a collection of objects. For example, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, all these are fractional number where 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. In this fraction number, 1 is numerator, 3 is denominator. Now we are going to discuss about numerator and denominator. As we know that a fraction has two parts, numerator and denominator. So the numerator, which is the number written on the top, is called numerator. So the number which is written on the top is called numerator. And the denominator, which is the number written below, is called denominator. So 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. In the same way, 1 is numerator, which is written on the top, and 3 is denominator, which is written below. Now the next point to be discussed here is unit fraction. So what is unit fraction? Fractions with a numerator 1 are called unit fraction. For example, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4. All these fraction numbers have 1 as denominator. So these type of fractions are called unit fraction. Now like fraction. Fractions that have the same denominator and are called like fractions. For example, 2 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7. Denominators of all these fraction numbers are same, 7, 7, 7. So this type of fractions are called like fractions. Unlike fractions, fractions that have different denominator are called unlike fractions. For example, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 6, 4 upon 7, 7 upon 8, 3 upon 5 and so on are all unlike fractions because they have different denominator. Now we are just moving further and going to discuss about exercise 2a. We will just solve some questions of exercise 2a here. Now the first question, color the figure to represent the fraction of a whole and a collection. Now 1 upon 2, it means that you will color half of the whole figure. So I am going to color this one. I have already colored this figure. In the same way, 1 upon 3, it means that you will color one part and two part will be remained unshaded. In the same way, 1 upon 4th, you will color one part. Now the question number 2, identify the like fractions, unlike fractions and unit fractions. In order to find like fractions, we just come to know that if all denominators of the fraction number are equal, then this type of fractions are called like fraction. Here 1 upon 2, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 7, this type of fractions are not like fraction, but this type of fractions are unit fractions because the numerators of all these fractions are 1. So in this way we can say that this type of fractions are unit fraction. Here 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5. As we know that denominators are same, so this type of fractions are called like fraction, unit fraction. And this one, denominators of all these fractions numbers are different, so these are unlike fraction. In the same way, these are unlike fractions, these are like fractions, and this one unit like fraction. In the same way, these are unlike fraction, and this is unit fraction, this one unlike fraction. Now, which of these is not a unit fraction? 1 upon 5, 1 upon 8, 17 upon 18, 1 upon 6. As we know that there are three fractions whose numerator are 1, but there is one fraction whose numerator is not 1, so this one is unlike, this one is not a unit fraction. Which of these are like fractions? 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 4 upon 5, but 5 upon 7. So all these three are like fractions, but 5 upon 7 is not like fraction because its numerator is not same as in comparison of others three. Complete the series of pattern of fractions. Name of the fractions type in each. 2 upon 3, 4 upon 5, 6 upon 7. This type of fractions are unlike fractions. 2, 4, 6, 8. And we increase 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So 8 upon 9. We write here 8 upon 9. In the same way, 1, 1, 1. This is unit fraction. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 upon 5. 2, 3, 4. Here we put 5. 17, 17, 17. This type of fraction is called like fractions. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. There is some homework. You will complete exercise 2A in your notebook. Thank you for watching.